Hi there and welcome to this video where we're going to look at creating a video thumbnail that has an image with the background removed. So I'm going to find a photograph on freepik.com, freepik.com, and let's type in makeup. The image I want is on page 10. This one here. Well, it's not actually that image. It's down below here where it says you might also like. So you can see here we have other images of the same subject. I want an image where the subject's looking at the camera. Let's choose this one here where they're holding a lotion bottle. So I'll make this thumbnail about lotion. Let's download this now and click on free download. Okay, let's go over to Canva and this time let's type in lotion thumbnail. Let's have a look at a few of these. And let's choose this one here. Let's now click Customize this template. So we're not actually going to use this template, we're just going to use some of the elements from this template. Let's also click on this template here and click on Customize this template. Let's now type in beauty pink. I actually want to find a background now. So for these thumbnail templates here, I'll just be using the background. Let's try this one here. I think this one looks quite good. But I don't need this picture or these elements, just the background. However, I'll leave this shape here and also this graphic with the hearts, as I think this might add to our design as well. So let's now click on upload and now let's click on background remover. Just be aware though, this is a Canva Pro feature only. So if you are using the free version of Canva, then you won't be able to use this. However, in a moment though, I'll show you an alternative way of doing this, which is free. Let's just crop this image now and resize it. Let's just rotate this and reposition image. So the website is remove.bg. This allows you to remove the background from an image. So let's now click on upload image. And now let's select the image that we downloaded previously. This can take a while to remove the image, but I have found if you refresh the page, it seems to work a bit faster. We also have some settings here which can help remove the background a bit cleaner, and we can also restore the background if we wish. So let's click on restore now, and here we can click and drag, and we can also manually erase here as well. Remove.bg also links up with Canva. So we can press Create Design here, and this will open the design in Canva. Now we're being transferred over to Canva, and here we go, we can see the image with the background removed. Just be aware it does compress the image slightly, as if we remove the background in Canva. However, it should still be high quality enough for a video thumbnail. Let's just copy this image now and put it into the design that we made previously. So we can copy black, and let's now right click on this and go to Layer, and then go to Send Backwards. And then go to Send Backward. And there we go, we've added a lot of the shadow. And let's choose a color from the photo, one of these templates that we selected previously. And let's actually copy the text here. Now let's paste this into our design. Let's just change the text so it says top lotion. Let's change the text box so it all fits on one line. Now let's click on Effects. And let's actually change the shape of the text. So let's click on curve. That's a bit too extreme, so let's bring the curve down a bit. Okay, I think that's a bit more interesting. And let's reposition and rotate this. Let's just move the subject slightly. And now let's duplicate this text box and then select this text. Let's change the color of this text to this pink text that we use in the document. Let's click on Effects and let's have a look at this with no effects, and let's choose the shadow effect. But let's go back to what we had, as I think it looked better. Let's change the text shape to none, as I don't think we need this curve effect for this. Let's now change the fonts, and I'm going to try one called Permanent Marker, so let's find this here. Okay, I think this looks nice. Let's now reposition and resize this. However, I want to change the text effect, as I think we can make this look better. So let's click on Effects and then click on Shadow. And let's change the shadow color to white. Let's increase the transparency so we can see this a bit clearer, and adjust the shadow offset. Okay, I think this is a bit more suitable now. Let's go back to the other template that we opened before, And let's copy over this graphic that we have here. And let's put this by the subject's hair so we can see this graphic. Again, let's go back to this other template and copy this text here. So I'm really just using these templates to copy certain elements from it and paste them into my design. Let's change this to 2024. And let's just resize and reposition the text here. Let's just rotate this slightly and reposition the text again. And let's just do some final tweaking here. Let's now change the text color for 2024. Let's choose one of these photo colors. Let's choose some of these colors, but let's actually choose our own color here. So we can click and drag to find the most suitable tone. Okay, let's now close the side menu and have a look at this design. Okay, I think this looks quite good, and that's how you can remove the background for a video thumbnail. I hope you found this video useful, and I'll see you in the next one.